there are four courses which I have stage wise. I'm going to be putting it for you. So the first thing which I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to put everybody on a challenge, and that challenge I have broken into just two ways. One is a 5-day challenge and one is a 10-day challenge. Now, when you see this arrow which goes from 5 days challenge to up and down, you do see that there are two windows which are there. What I have tried to do is that because the world is moving so fast and people want to have more knowledge, and the patience level of everyone, because everybody is wanting to make money soon, and adding more value is not in their mind, I have clubbed the two branding courses together. So what you can go through first is a 5-day challenge, which is to learn about personal digital branding and how you can get your identity identified with me, and then we take it forward and then we make you understand. I'm going to show you what all things are going to be there in terms of when it comes to personal branding. And then I will teach you also how to set your social branding. So all your online footprint, we'll make sure that we set all those online footprint for you so that you can start sharing content and post yourself. And there is a seamlessness and there's a uniqueness to that digital presence for you. So either what I have started is that I'm going to start with 5-day challenge first, which I'm going to tell you now. And then I'm going to take you to the 10-day challenge, so that once you're out from that 15 days capacity, the first 15 days totally and purely goes to have your brand ready and have a social footprint on it seamlessly and consistently for all things. So that next 15 days, if you want to take the next 15 days challenge, or you want to take a gap in it so that you can build those in 15 days, because I have built in 15 days. I know what you can build in 15 days for you. If your content and your niche is strong, then I'm sure that you will start getting results in 15 days from these two challenges, right? So in personal branding, what I'm going to be teaching you, I'm going to be teaching you the basis of personal branding, how to funnel down your niche and micro niche, how to represent you in sync with your brand, design your logo and optimal communication to promote, and how communication skills will help you improve your introduction to other people, right? I think when it comes to the first stage of a personal brand, how I should create it, these are the 5 things that should be there in your mind, which you need to know, right? In 10 days challenge, I'm going to help you create that social profile. So once we have your clarity of your ownership of what you want to do, then we take on to the social media profiles, where we're going to build that seamlessness in your profiles. We're going to, I'm going to teach you how Facebook ads and Google ads functionality, so that as you've seen that by spending 5,000 rupees, I have made a reach of 3 lakh people. I'm going to teach you those nicks, those special things, those secrets. And trust me, it's damn easy. You'll be like blown away that I've been hearing so much about so much jing-pang of Facebook ads, but this was so easy, man, right? Then I'm going to give you some insights to adapt in forthcoming changing times. So there's a lot which is happening in social media, which is changing. So for example, if you must have heard, Facebook community is growing up. Facebook is going with small shop owners, with Geo. So there's a lot of new things that keep coming in, and you need to also know those things so that you don't get left behind. So I will teach you in that 10 days challenge that what is the next pipeline for next 30 days for you to follow, so that your social media presence get more stronger. Then your networking and promotion will be increased with my help, because depending on your niche, I'll be sharing the contacts of the industry with you and give you a pitch where you will try to build those network and possibility of breaking a business with them by presenting yourself in the right way. And then from main brand, how can you multiply yourself? So if you are in the agriculture industry and you want to do something in organic farming, you want to do something in solar farming, or you want to do in something in X farming, I'll help you that, so that your business can be broken down into other few sub niches and you get more possibilities to grow. So for example, I am building on 4 things, and from my main personal digital branding lifestyle, I have picked up health and wellness, I have picked up relationships, I've picked up electrical vehicle and all. So that's how you can, from your main business, you can break down. So I'll teach you that how you can do that. Another course which I would be starting after you are done with your 5 and 10 days challenge is learning portfolio branding and video branding. So portfolio branding is basically a way all the industry you are going to be seeing in coming time, and maybe in another next month also, they would be talking a lot about your portfolio. That even if you go to a creative guy, it's not a portfolio word assigned to him only. If you're an insurance guy, or if you are somebody who is into jewelry, people would want to keep look at you in a once. So I get a traffic of on my website. When somebody clicks it, in 3 seconds, in less than 3 seconds, my first introduction with my work comes on it. Then I take the person to my about us, about me, and then my what is my thought of building this community and what I'm producing as an ecosystem for people to join and grow together. So that is very important for you to know that portfolio, whatever you have skills in, whatever you will build in 15 days, how can you then put it into the right digital way to send it to people. I'll give you that strategy to reach to the right audience. I'll give you the mastery secrets that even if you are not with me next 30 days, after you're done with all 30 days challenge, in next 30 to 60 days, how can you keep following that strategy and that mastery and keep making better portfolios and keep making better portfolios for your audience. I'll teach you integrating your social profiles with your digital portfolios. So it won't be just a PDF which will go in a mail from X person. It would be a complete social media page from the site of Moving Depictions ecosystem, telling that this person is a digital expert in his domain and you should consider him for projects. So that integration of social profiles, which you will be maintaining for 30 days by putting posts, you will be getting more hands on that. Then your presentation skills mastery will come up. So it's not difficult to design your own portfolio, but you need to know the process of it. You need to know what are the vital topics and what is the content that should go, so that it doesn't become a 70 or 100 pages page portfolio presentation. It should be minimalistic, but it should convey the right message, right? And then I would take care of you in terms of changing your power dressing and getting your professional photographs clicked, so that you can have a choice of your own for your personal branding. So if you see my choice of choosing a picture, I want it to be in the most comfortable way I can click a picture. So you don't see a professional photography on that, but yeah, I would change it once I start feeling that way with my growing community. It's in the pipeline, guys. Yeah. In the video branding, which is a huge space right now, and there's a lot of competition, but people are failing because they don't know how to put a right video content and what are the topics and what is the consistency you need to follow. I'm going to teach you that because I'm mastering on that. I am ready with my 3 videos, but I'm just waiting for some more time because the more value addition of content has to happen in them. And then you will definitely, I'm sure when I will be sharing that video with you, you will be able to have good feedback on that. Then some detailed learning on camera types, which I'm going to teach so that you can set up your own home studio and you can set up for your friends and family. That these are the basic things you required in order to shoot yourself at home, and you don't have to pay hefty amount in the market. I'm going to update you with plugins and hands-on learning industry preferred video editing tools also. So we have an ecosystem where we are getting trainers on board who are masters in editing or video editing, and they will create beautiful videos for you. So we're going to be teaching you a little bit about that also. And it's a technical course. So if you would be interested and you would want to create the videos for the rest of your life so that you can be in that space, you will be taught that on that. And then the whole music and audio mixing, which you must have seen from my post, right?